Hi, this is Tom Arbuthnot. I'm here with Graham Hosking. Thanks for your time. And we're going to rattle through the name changes for Office 365 Cloud Voice Services. So try and keep it tight and give you all the new names. So Graham, do you want to take us through the first one?
Yeah, sure. So what was Cloud PBX is now called Phone System.
Yeah.
So that is literally our phone system within the cloud, and that covers both Skype for Business Online and Microsoft Teams.
Yeah, and that's the idea that these names reflect services that either Teams or Skype for Business can consume, essentially.
Exactly, yeah.
So PSTN calling, which was the ability to buy your phone number and your minutes from Microsoft, so Microsoft your carrier, that's now calling plans. So if you want minutes and a phone number from Microsoft, you buy a calling plan.
Correct, yeah. So PSTN conferencing is now called audio conferencing, and that allows you to dial into a conference using your normal telephone or out of a conference as well. So if you need to find somebody on the road that, they might be in the car, you just dial the telephone number.
And that's been available in Skype for Business Online for about 2 years now, and it's previewing Teams right now as well.
Yeah, exactly. We're coming up to our anniversary for it now, so it's nothing new, just a rename.
Yeah. And with audio conferencing, we've now got a pay per minute model as well. So that's called audio conferencing pay per minute, and rather than paying a flat rate for the service, you can just consume that service per minute. So you don't pay, list is saying $4 a user a month, you just pay as you use it, which is interesting.
Yeah, literally. There's a rate card that we published for that as well, which brings us nicely into PSTN consumption billing as well, which is now called
communications credits.
Yeah. So again, if you've used up all your minutes across your tenant, then you can have a pay-as-you-go model, which is a prepay facility there.
So you load up a bucket of money into Office 365, and those are your communication credits to burn on PSTN calls or PSTN conferencing.
Correct. Yeah.
Cool. And the last one is Skype Operations Framework. So again, aligning to this future vision of Skype for Business Online, Skype Business Server, and Microsoft Teams. Skype Operations Framework rather is renamed to Practical Guidance for Cloud Voice. So saying that whichever platform we're heading towards in Office 365, this is the best practice guidance to get it deployed.
Yeah, and we're learning from our partners, we're learning from customers as well that have deployed Link and Skype for Business in the past.
Yeah.
By taking on just not the IT elements of it, but also the user adoption and the ongoing maintenance of that service as well.
Great, cool. Thank you, Graham.
Thank you. Cheers.